Hello everyone, we are from Team 5. So today we are going to presenting our PBL project title Arduino Uno Unity Billiard Game with our manager project Mr. Agung Riyadi SSI MCOM, with me Enrico Rianto as a team leader, and
with me Eko dan Anelawa,
with me Luis Gonzalez,
with me Nidia Aurelia,
with me Merida Dianti.
Okay, let's begin our presentation.
What is Arduino Uno Unity Billiard Game? The Arduino Uno Unity Billiard Game, titled Arduino Pool Master, is an interactive game that combines Arduino Uno hardware with Unity software to create a realistic billiard simulation. Then contribution of the course to PBL, there are 7. The first is 3D animation, enhanced realism by simulating accurate ball movement and player action. Then the number 2, hardware program. Then there's involves coding and control hardware device. Number 3, AI or artificial intelligence enables computer to perform tasks and that requires human-like intelligence. Number 4, entrepreneurship, developing a business model that ensures the game success in competitive market. Number 5, game programming, write code to develop a game's mechanic, physics, and AI, and also graphics. Number 6, Pancasila education includes cultural elements in the application, create as a local identity. And lastly, 7, English communication, enhance collaboration, documentation, resource access, and global reach in the development of billiard games project.
Output. The main output of the Arduino Uno Unity Billiard Game is a realistic simulation of billiard gameplay, where Unity calculates ball, movement, impact, and physical force with high accuracy. This is our historical logbook week 1 until 7. Week 1 is division of tasks. Week 2, mind mapping and brainstorming. Week 3, determining a game title and creating a logo. Week 4, analyzing the game development. Week 5, analyzing hardware. And week 6, analyzing UI UX game. Week 7, design a 3D model of billiard ball and stick. This is our backlog text. And this is our backlog text too.
Details of project work. Main menu. The Arduino Pool Master features a dark green interface reminiscent of a billiard table, complete with a billiard room background and hanging light. About Us menu. The About Us menu of Arduino Pool Master resembles a physical poster offering clear information about the project, backgrounds, and goals. The text is presented in capital letters for readability, describing the game as an innovative blend of classic billiards and modern technology through Unity and Arduino.
The quick menu of the billiard game features an exit confirmation interface with a background of a pool table. Game display. The Arduino Uno billiard game interface features a table with 6 pockets and a triangle arrangement of balls for the brick shot. This is billiard table design.
Role and contributions. Enrico Rianto analyzes the software and hardware requirements that will be used during project creations. Merinda Hardianti conductions UI UX analysis from the game starts to game over, gathering reference for its appearance and layout from various sources. Nidia Aurelia creating billiard ball and sticks texture and colorings detail in Blender, then applying them to Unity. Luis Gonzalez analyzes the hardware components needed for a controller and gather designs reference for its assembly. Eko Daniel Deboho analyzes the hardware components for making a controller and finds designs reference for its assembly. Problem and solutions. Number 1, game physics optimization. Creating realistic physics simulations in Unity for pool games was challenged due to the needs for precise parameter adjustment with integrating Arduino input. This took longer than expected, but we overcame it by studying game programming course and YouTube tutorial. Okay, this is a further work plans. Number 1, integrating hardware with Unity. Make sure the controller is ready to use and ready to connect to Unity, then connects it to Unity. Number 2, creating hardware coding. Create coding for the controller so that it is ready to be used and connected to Unity. That's all the presentations from use. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you.